Press Alt to bring up the shortcuts. F is for File, and T is for Options. That brings up the Options dialog box. And you can see there are all sorts of categories of options that we can play with here. We're going to go through them one at a time, starting with General. The main things that I want to highlight here for you are you can choose the default font. Every time you create a new workbook, it's going to automatically have all the cells as using this font, this size, and a very interesting and handy function here is the number of sheets that it will start in the file. So 1 is the default, and I highly recommend leaving it at 1 or changing it to 1 if it's not already. The reason being is that you only want to add sheets that contain information. If the workbook starts with 5 sheets in it, you don't know which of those sheets contain data and which don't. Another very handy thing to do is to make sure you put in your name as the username or your company name or whatever you want. This will appear as the author of the file in the information and the metadata of the file. This will also appear when you make comments in cells, and that can be very helpful. And finally, we'll also show you that you can change the color scheme. Colorful is what gives us this green color on the top of the ribbon. You could also change it to be gray, black, or white, etc. And you can actually play with those yourself and see what you like best. But those are the main things that you're going to want to change right here on the general settings area of Excel options.